In this video, let me show you how to use the Chime Pay Friends feature. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now, if you're trying to pay your friends within Chime, this can slightly depend upon if the user has the account of Chime or not. So what you need to do is within the dashboard, you'd be able to see the option called Pay Anyone on the bottom. You can simply tap on this option. Now, if the other user or the other person that you're trying to pay is also on Chime, or has an account on Chime, what you can simply do is search for their names, their phone number, or the unique Chime sign. You can enter in the dollar amount and simply tap on the pay option. But however, in the case of if they are a non-member or a non-user, what you need to do is enter in their email address or the phone number and then enter in the dollar amount and send in a message. What this will do is send them a link, and the other person just needs to click on the link and then enter in the valid debit card information, and the funds will be deposited directly into their bank accounts. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use Chime Pay Friends feature. If this video did help you out, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.